Boundary plays an important role for the protection of your property. Kisan Fencing Solution has introduced world-class technology in boundary protection. This is 3D weld mesh panels. These are the panels which are made by 4 mm wires welded at the gap of 2 inch vertically and 4 and 6 inch horizontally. These wires are GI coated as well as powder coated, which gives its longer duration and they can survive all the weathers. After installing, this can go up to 30 to 40 years. The price is also very less as compared to the wall which is being made for the boundary. However, in the protection of parks and farmhouse for the beautification and protection both, the 3D weld mesh panels are the best solution. So for the best price and at best quality, you can contact at Kisan Fencing Solution given numbers.